Hello, and welcome to Light Point Meditation. I'm Marilyn Joy. Today we're going to look at the importance of the breath and how working with the breath can change our whole perspective on life. To quote Louise Hay, the motivational author, maintain your physical, emotional, and spiritual harmony with the universe by meditating every day. Inhale the precious breath of life. It is your connection to your higher power. And from mindfulness teacher Emmett Ray, if you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath. Science is showing us new research almost daily of the health benefits of taking a few minutes every day to breathe and center your thoughts in the moment. Basically, that is meditation. Allowing yourself some time to step away from the world and find some peace and quiet, even if it is only for a moment. This gives the body a break from all the stress that you carry, lowering the blood pressure, bringing fresh oxygen into the system, calming the mind. Meditation allows you to clear away the thoughts that don't serve a purpose and make room for new thoughts to come in, for new ideas and attitudes to emerge. We lose our anxieties, fears, past hurts, depression, sleeplessness, and the list goes on. We learn to make a new friend with who we truly are. We have a powerful tool to use to find balance, peace, and calm in a chaotic world. I believe that choosing to develop a meditation practice is the most powerful decision we can make. Meditation is as easy as breathing. It is not an arduous task. Through the process of focus, the mind begins to become quiet. Focusing on the breath, we become aware of the thoughts flowing through our minds, and we begin to move beyond, into the space between them. That is where the silence is found. When we move towards the quiet point within, we discover the energy that lights us up with creativity, peace, love, and happiness. We aren't trying to stop our thoughts. We are trying to detach from them, to see that we are not our thoughts. We are so much more than our thoughts. As we develop a meditation practice, we get to know the essence of who we are. We begin to allow who we are to come out to the world, instead of allowing the world to tell us who we are. We have thousands of thoughts a day. Many of them are repetitive and not very productive. You will be distracted about as many times with different thoughts while you are meditating. Don't get frustrated or feel that you aren't doing the meditation right. Be aware of thoughts, but don't get involved in the story. Let the thoughts flow out of your mind. Like a wave on the ocean, it comes up and then it goes back into the ocean. As you allow your thoughts to flow, the mind will become quieter and quieter. In order to receive the benefits of meditation, we have to practice every day. The more we meditate, the more we will receive the benefits. Setting a regular time that works for you is key. Make it part of your routine. Meditate in the same place. Find somewhere that is comfortable and quiet where you won't be disturbed. Create a special place for meditation. It is a special activity. Make a commitment to your practice. It isn't that hard to set aside a few minutes twice a day. Realize that this is the time that you are setting aside for meditation, and there is nothing else for you to do. This is the time for getting to know what an amazing person you are. Don't let your practice depend on your mood. Set your time and stick with it. Begin with short meditations and then expand the time that you spend. You will find that the more time you spend with your practice, the more time you will want to spend with it. If you have been practicing for some time, making a deeper commitment can have a big impact. Spend 10 more minutes at your practice. Go a little deeper, a little higher. You will notice a big change. So we're going to do some breath work and then have a short guided meditation, and we will spend some time in the quiet. Be aware of the different experiences and what the feelings are. Remember, breath, or prana, is the life force, the creative energy of the universe, the primal force of this universe which interacts upon the mind and body to make us aware of the spiritual nature of existence. The breath is calming. It brings balance, focus, and clarity. Now, there are actually 4 parts to the breath: the inhalation, the hold following the inhalation, the exhalation, and the hold following the exhalation. The hold after the inhalation and the exhalation are where meditation takes place. That space between. This is the most important time to rebalance thought patterns because your subconscious mind is highly open to suggestions at this time. Now close your eyes and get comfortable. Focus on the breath. Feel it fill the body. Be grateful for all that it brings. Take a deep breath, feeling your lungs expand fully, then slowly exhale to the count of 5. Repeating this practice 4 or 5 times, be aware of the pause between the inhale and the exhale. And now just breathe normally. Watch the breath. Feel the sensation of the cool air coming in through the nose. Feel the lungs fill with air. Feel the belly expand. Pause. Feel the release of the breath as the lungs empty out and the belly flattens. And feel the pause. And watch the breath. Don't try to control it. And as you continue to breathe, visualize or imagine a crown of beautiful golden light just above your head. See this light fill your mind, your every thought, your every emotion. Cleansing and healing. See the light fill your body, every muscle, every organ, every cell, every atom of your being. Cleansing and healing. See the light fill the space around your body. Cleansing and healing. Rest in the light that is completely enfolding you, healing the body, bringing calm to the mind, and uplifting the spirits. And now very gently release the meditation and just sit quietly for a minute or 2. And I'd like to thank you for joining me today in this meditation. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May you be blessed, may you be blessed, may you be triply blessed, that you may be a blessing to others. Namaste.